Okay, I'm going in with the edge control. I'm just gonna dab it in here. I'm not following, I don't know what the directions said, but I don't. See, they said put it on the hair first. She do not listen. But come on. Oh no, this is good stuff. First of all, you know you could. I could tell very quickly what's good and what's not. Alrighty. This is about to be laid. It is. I'm about to let you know right now that I'm about to lay this down. This is about to be laid by Lira. I didn't even mean to do that. Hold on. Okay. Yep. Exactly what I look for in edge control. I'm not done yet. You gotta give me a moment. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I did my baby. How I'm used to doing my baby hair, I did it all backwards. I never start bottom up. I go that way. So now I don't know what I'm doing. It is working out though. I have not dipped again. It's working out. Hold on. Yo, and it's not moving. It is not moving, honey. We about to let, okay. Hurry up, girl. Let me hurry up and do this other side. Let me get right on up over here. This is about to be the real test because that's my good side of baby hair. That's my good side because here I have this, what do you call that when your hair goes straight to the back, just weirdly? If this edge control can make my hair not do that, let's see. Sorry, now I'm testing it for real now. Yeah, it's not gonna do that. It's not gonna do that. It's not gonna do it. It's gonna stay like this all day, hey. Yes, Lira, you did a very good job. Hold on. Yep, that's it. Now that gel dried very fast. You know, gel make your hair wave up. That gel dried very, very fast and my hair did not curl up. Hold it, honey. Hold up. Wait a minute. That's it. That is it. Okay. I don't know what kind of part we about to do. I might need to leave my hair up today. This might be an up kind of day. Yeah. Uh-oh, this might be an updo kind of day. Because that is it. I'm not even joking. Let me put my scarf on and put some blush on because it's about to happen. I need to just go ahead and break this in real quick. I don't even think you really need the scarf. Some edge controls you do. I do not think you need the scarf, but for the sake of product use, just to use everything. Oh, honey. This big scarf. First of all, if you make it back in one piece, I don't know if I can put that in my... Oh my God. I don't know how to put on the scarf. See? I just stay like that. Yeah, this is it. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I'm not lying at all. But ain't nobody big. Alright. Let me put some blush on. Oh, little blush on. I like to put my blush on last just to tone down if I put on too much highlighter. So there y'all go. And I like for my contour to have a little bit of a red tint to it. So I'll go, oh no, I ain't going around nothing later. I forgot. Okay. Lay by Lira is it. Well, I'll give my final reviews in a second. Let me go ahead and cancel this and get dressed.